Welcome to Medals and More. I'm Grant Pedro, and this is the podcast where we explore what comes after the medal and how sport continues to shape our lives long after the podium moments fade. This season is all about coaching, and today I'm starting at the beginning of my coaching journey. The dream that wouldn't let go. For years, I had this quiet dream of returning to athletics, not just as a runner, but as a coach. I didn't know how it would happen. Life moves fast, and sometimes we put those dreams on the shelf. But I've always believed we get what we pray for. And when the chance finally came, I grabbed it with both hands. That opportunity came through Fitness from Africa. And it started with a dedicated group of about 15 high school runners, boys and girls, who met with me twice a week and every second Saturday at a park run. Coaching has filled my heart, but let me be real, it hasn't been easy. I currently coach 2 hours a week, and while I love every minute, it's not enough to sustain me financially. That's why growth became essential. We launched Kids Athletics to bring our training into more schools. It's our way of expanding access and identifying future talent early on. We're also developing a corporate wellness program, which is delivered online. That part has its own challenges. It's more distant, less personal, but we believe it can become a valuable and viable income stream. This is about more than coaching. It's about planting seeds in schools, in communities, and in families. And it all started with one answered prayer and a team that believed as much as I believed. If you're a parent, teacher, leader, or someone who simply loves sport and believes in building future champions, reach out to us. We are growing Kids Athletics, and we are always looking to partner with schools and supporters who share the vision. This is Medals and More, and I'm Grant Pedro, because the finish line is just the beginning.